Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do future trading on Bitget, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your Bitget app, make sure you're signed in, and now go to this option of futures given at the bottom right away. Now the future trading is simply a prediction for a currency to go up or go down in simple language, which includes the open long and open short, or the close short or close long. Now for this, I would definitely suggest you to have a perfect knowledge for regarding this trading, and go to this charts and checking it out accordingly as well, because the volume, you can see it's changing by the seconds. Now you're going to go back, and if you would like to simply open one, then you can add in the limit order as usual, your price, your quantity, your TP and SL amount of your USD accordingly, and then tap on open long if you would like to do it for the future for it to go up. Then you can tap on open long, or if you want it to go to short, then tap on open short and let it register. Now you can do the close for that as well. You can go to the close, add in the quantity and amount perfectly, and then choose which one would you prefer. That is basically opening and closing for your future trading for the particular coin of your or crypto of your, and that is it. But as I mentioned before, make sure you have studied and did your proper research for you to not lose not even a penny and have some profit out of it. Or if you would like to just learn and go with the flow and would like to lose some to gain the experience, that is up to you as well. But this is basic of it, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.